Good morning, my name is Thomas. I'm working for Matrox. I'm from the Munich office and we are very happy to be here at the sharp NEC Competence Days. What we brought here today is a part of our portfolio I would like to briefly introduce to you. So we start here on the right side. This is our KVM solution. This is called Extio 3. The nice thing with this installation is it is network based. This means every device gets a network address and this makes it very, very flexible. So what does this mean in the end for us? Instead of a static installation, with this technology we have the possibility to switch from different sources to make everything available to the user in the end. So in this case we have two source systems, A and B, and we have two transmitter units connected to each of the systems. So instead of displaying the information on a display, we use it as a source for the transmitting systems, and these systems convert the signal into an H.264 and send it to the network. This is our network switch here below, and this encoder and this encoder is the red and the yellow are encoded and sent to the network. So now we have it in the network, and this provides us with the possibility to spread the information wherever you need it or wherever you have to work with this. So this is the source side. Think about this could be a server room or somewhere you have all your systems, and this box here represents our workplace. So this is everything that sits on your desk. This is the receiver side, and with this receiver we have access to the source side. And this makes us very flexible. For example, we're able to switch from system A to system B just with an easy click of the system, and now we have access to the B system. This is a maximum a quad system, so we can have 4 streams out of one PC. If you need more, just connect the second source unit and we have as many streams available as you need it. What's very nice with these units is they have their own operating system. This means you don't have to care for compatibility in case you want to update something. This is easygoing. Just switch the source systems, connect it to the senders, and then everything is done for you. It works out of the box. It has its own operating system installed on the sender and on the receiver side. Okay, this is it pretty much on the KVM story. The other thing we have here on the show today is our Maevex concept. So Maevex is an AV over IP technology. We again encode signals, whatever this is. This can be a camera, a set-top box, a PC, so everything that needs to be part of your network or transmitted by your network, just encode it. We have these units here on the encoding side. We have dual and quad stream systems. In this case, this is the quad version. We have 2 players on the right side. These are used as a source. These are encoded by the box, as well as this laptop here. This is my control laptop to manage all the content we'll see afterwards on the wall here. And all this information is captured by this encoding unit. Again, we make an H.264 out of it, send it to the network and make it available wherever this information is required. We have decoding units as well. In this case, we don't have the space, or we want to demo something else what we have as a possibility. So here we only use the encoding unit. We have, as I said, decoders as well. What's very important for Matrox is we are a big supporter of open standards. This means we do a proper H.264, nothing proprietary. We're open to all and everything. This means in the end, for the decoding side, you can use either Matrox hardware for decoding, or you can use software for decoding, or you can also use third-party hardware for decoding, because it's a pure H.264, nothing proprietary, open standards. Okay, so you see we have my laptop here. This is encoded. We have a preview functionality to make available as an information what is going to be encoded. You can use this, you don't have to use this. We do this for demo purposes. This is the AV part of the products we have here. And the last thing I want to show you is the new Matrox graphic card we have. This is called the LUMA family. In here we have a LUMA and a Mira IPX. Mira is our display wall controller system, and we have different flavors. We can handle different types of signals with these with these cards. We have the possibility to encode physical sources. You directly connect to the Mira cards, and as well the cards can decode IP streams. In this case, I already told you we're creating IP streams here on this Maevex unit. We're decoding what comes in from the Maevex card, and if you double check, we have the same information here from my laptop, which is encoded by the Maevex. We have it here on the display wall. So consider this as a control room environment where you have many operators located in the room. Everybody has his dedicated job, but in many cases there are information which is required by the whole group, and then you can install a big wall, use as many displays as you need. We have graphic cards which you can cascade and have multiples of these in one system according to the requirements you have for the desktop real estate you need to show all your information. And the nice thing with the LUMA cards, before I forget about this, is LUMA can encode and decode on the graphics device. So this makes it possible to have a light and very, very powerful display wall installation just with a PC, put a LUMA card inside, and you can decode IP streams you get over the network. So in the end, in this case, the display wall controller is the endpoint, let's call it like this, which collects all the information you have in your network. And with the software I'm running here on the display, we can define what is positioned where on the wall. You can have different layouts if you have situations which are often used. So you have the possibility to create layouts and just push the button, and you have the setup you defined for your specific situation. And this makes it very flexible to have the possibility to react to specific situations. Okay, this is pretty much it. My name is Thomas from Matrox. Please let us know if you have questions. Double check our website and contact us. It would be a pleasure to hear from you. Thank you very much.